So like I said, I put plugs in there. Make sure the bleeding screw is closed up, and I'll clean this up and paint it, but for now I'm gonna just put both of these. I gotta take the other one off still for the other side. Put both of these in a plastic bag, seal it up, and then I ain't gotta worry about moistness getting in there, clogging that up, because if you don't, guys, the moistness will get in there and clog them up, guys. Just for my verification, the one with the white dot is from the left, from the right side, the passenger side of the rear end. All right, so I'm coming in here and I'm removing these emergency brake cables. I'll remove them by hand because I don't feel like flipping the rear end, which wouldn't be that hard to do, but I'm gonna just bust these loose, and it only takes a few seconds to remove them manually. Alright, so when I get them out, I'm going to try to save these rubbers, but the top cap go on there. Just pull out. And then you see it's got this little gasket in between there, so I'll try to save that gasket. Alright guys, so then I come in, I already cleaned the other side, but use brake cleaner. You got to remember guys, brake cleaner is highly flammable, so don't blow your garage up. But it cleans pretty good, so I like using it. You should protect yourself with a mask. I mean, it's not fun stuff to work with, but it cleans pretty good. So I'm gonna come in here. It's a lot of work with this, guys. Just trying to get all of this stuff degreased and clean. So the way I do these cars, I mean, I think, would you pay me? Yeah, some will, but I don't really do a lot of work for other people. But come in and get this stuff done. Alright, so I'm gonna come in and clean this up now. I see these areas, that's surface rust, but I just want to make sure that it's not still grease on there. This brake cleaner is highly flammable, guys. I got a mask on too, cause stuff is strong. So I'm just telling you guys, it's like, you gotta just keep working with this. Until you get all the grease off of here. Alright, so after I wash this frame down and everything, I'm coming in with the black 415. Then I'm gonna be etching priming this, and then get it painted up the same color of the car. So I'm only gonna put 2 coats of 415 on this. Because it wasn't really that rusted or whatever, so. Alright, so I got the rear end all clean. Metal treated and pour 15. So now I did test, guys, on the using regular etching primer to paint over the pour 15. It worked just fine. So I'm gonna be using regular $10 etching primer instead of the $40 etching primer that pour 15 sell. And I'm gonna paint this up. Now I got a little bit of the pour 15 etching primer left, so I'll probably use that up first, and then just use regular $10 etching primer that you can get from anywhere, and use that, guys. So stay tuned. This is ready, top and bottom all pour 15. No, that's good enough for some people just to leave them black, but you know, this one got to be red, or it's like it's like a burgundy, almost like a candy color that I'm going to be painting this car. So like a burgundy. But all right, guys, so next time you see it, it'll be all painted up. All right.